Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mauludin Pardandi, and I here will represent a backtracking algorithm. Backtracking is a general algorithm for solving some computational problems, most notably constraint satisfaction problem that incrementally build candidates to the solution and abandon a candidate. Backtrack as soon as it determines that the candidate cannot be complete to a reasonable solution. And next, backtracking algorithm, it finds a solution by building a solution step by step, increase level over time, using recursive scaling. A search tree known as the space state tree is used to find the solution. Each branch in a state space tree represents a variable, and each level represents a solution. A backtracking algorithm uses the depth first search method. When the algorithm begins to explore the solution, the abounding function is applied so that the algorithm can determine whether the proposed solution satisfies the constraints. If it does, it will keep looking. If it does not, the branch is removed and the algorithm returns to the previous level. State space tree. Space state tree is that represent all of the possible state of the problems, from the root as an initial state to the leaf as a terminal state. How does a backtracking algorithm work? In any backtracking algorithm, the algorithm seeks a path to a feasible solution that includes some intermediate checkpoint. If the checkpoint do not lead to a viable solution, the problem can return to the checkpoints and take other path to find a solution. Consider the following scenario. Number one, in this case, S represents the problem starting point. You start at S and work your way to solution S1 via the midway point M1. However, you discover that solution S1 is not viable solution to our problem. As a result, you backtrack from S1, return to M1, return to S, and then look for the feasible solution S2. This process is repeat until you arrive at a work solution. Number two, S1 and S2 are not viable options in this case. According to this example, only S3 is a viable solution. When you look at this example, you can see that we go through all possible combination until you find a viable solution. As a result, you refer to backtracking as a brute force algorithmic technique. Number three, space state tree is the above tree representation of a problem. It represents all possible state of given problem. And the final algorithm as follow. Step 1, return success if the current point is a feasible solution. Step 2, otherwise, if all paths have been exhausted, return failure because there is no feasible solution. Step 3, if the current point is not an endpoint, backtrack and explore the other point, then repeat the preceding step. Moving on in this tutorial, you will now look at one example to help understand it better. This is example backtracking. This is tutorial going to use a straightforward example to explain the theory behind the backtracking process. You need to arrange the three letter X, Y, and Z so that Z cannot be 2X. According to the backtracking, you will first construct a state space tree, look for all possible solutions, and compare them to the given constraint. You must only keep solutions that meet the following constraint. And that the picture, the following are possible solutions to the problem XYZ, XZY, YXZ, YZX, ZXY, ZYX. No needless valid solution to this problem are thus the satisfy the constraint that keeps only XYZ and ZYX in the final solution set. When to use a backtracking algorithm, there are following scenarios in which you can use backtracking. It is used to solve a variety problem. You can use it, for example, to find a feasible solution to a decision problem. Backtracking algorithms were also discovered to be very effective for solving optimization problem. In some cases, is it used to find a possible solution to the enumeration problem. Backtracking, on the other hand, is not regarded as an optimal problem-solving technique. Is it it is useful when the solution to a problem does not have a time limit. Following an example of backtracking algorithm, you will now look at different type. And that's the backtracking algorithm from me. See you and goodbye. Thank you.